my name is Goldman. I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. We're continuing our efforts to provide these educational opportunities for prospective clients and the public and our existing clients. So please subscribe to this channel to avail yourself of that opportunity. Today we're going to talk about health insurance. The question is, if you're insured by your spouse through their employment, do you get to keep it once you get divorced? And it's a very interesting question because the way these contracts read, your spouse may be covered by, let's say, Blue Cross and his spouse. But once you become a non-spouse, there's no contractual obligation to continue the coverage. You may find in that circumstance that you might be out of coverage. So what do you do? Well, the federal rule, these are called the COBRA rules, allows the continuation of health care benefits, even in a divorce, for a period, it's up to 36 months, typically up to 36 months. And so even a non-spouse, in other words, even after the divorce, you can continue to get those health benefits for up to a 3-year period. But you got to remember one thing. There is a premium to be paid for that benefit. You're not paying it before the divorce because you're still a spouse, and it's part of the spousal inclusion. Once you're no longer a spouse, then under the COBRA rules, there's a premium that has to be paid to get that benefit. Now, depending on the policy, that may be a very high premium or very small premium. Sometimes an older policy, the premium is very reasonable, very manageable, and the coverage is great. On the other hand, you may find, depending on the age of the policy and some other factors, that the premium to continue your coverage under your ex's coverage, that premium may be more expensive than just going out and buying your own Blue Cross. So the answer to the question, can I continue? Yes, you can. But what you really have to decide is the coverage good coverage? Do I want to continue it? Who's paying that premium? If I'm going to pay that premium, can I do better just going out into the marketplace and insuring as a divorced person and buying my own Blue Cross, for example? So those are things that you have to consider when deciding whether or not you want a continuation of coverage. But the short answer is yes, there is a mechanism by which, even after a divorce, you can continue the health care benefits. If you have any questions about that, reach out, and of course, we'll be glad to help you out.